Hello everyone, this is your boy Claudel again, live from Florida on the studio right now, just chilling after a class. I can't believe, man, Instagram is it's crazy. But anyway, the purpose of this live is to remind you guys about our online classes. We have online classes. You can now purchase your online class to start learning from me. Unfortunately, we don't have people that really want to learn. I feel like I have more people that love to watch me, like what I do, instead of decide to learn from me. But I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. But this is a reminder about our online class. If you go on my profile right now, you click on the link, you can purchase your class. You can start learning kompa professionally. But our class is not only about kompa dance. You're gonna find more than you thought, because our class gives you the opportunity to build your self-confidence by learning more than just music and dance. And one of the key things about our session is self-confidence. We want people to start building self-confidence. And if you feel shy, if you're fearful, the reason why you feel shy is because of a lack of self-confidence. We have the number on our profile. You can just text the number based on your location, because we are in Palm Beach, Broward, Miami. We are in Palm Beach, Broward, Miami. If you don't live in Palm Beach, Broward, Miami, you can start taking online classes until we go to your city. Anywhere it's like more than 1 hour is considered out of city. Like example, if we're talking about Fort Myers, if we're talking about Orlando, it's like 2 hours and a half drive. It's considered out of city. When we talk about city, we're talking about Palm Beach, Broward, Miami, which is in the same city for South Florida. It's like 1 hour away. Miami is probably 1 hour away from me. It depends on where I'm going, but yes, more than that is considered out of city for like 3 days tour. But you can learn from me online, because right now we have online classes. So I was talking about self-confidence. I was talking about fear. I was talking about being shy. So many people feel comfortable saying, oh, I'm shy. So many people feel comfortable saying, oh, I'm fearful. It's like it's something they feel like they are proud of. Oh, I'm proud to be shy. Oh, I'm proud to be fearful. Oh, I'm proud not having enough confidence. Are you serious? When you are shy and you are fearful, they stop you from growing. Do you hear what I said? Shy people and fearful people, they are not growing. They can't grow, because When you are shy, you're afraid to take actions. Thank you so much, Rose. By the way, guys, Rose is one of the models on the videos. Again, when you're shy, you can grow. You cannot grow mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, financially, intellectually. When you're shy and fearful. Because the shyness within you is blocking you from taking actions that can help you. And being shy builds fear. And also creates something called self-doubt. When you don't have self-confidence, it's because you have self-doubt. And also when you're shy, you have self-doubt, you are fearful. This is where the negative thought start coming, because you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe in yourself. So when you don't believe in yourself, you always think negatively. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, no, it's not gonna happen. I don't think so. I don't believe so. So it's a combination of different words that's stopping people from growing, especially in the Black community. So when you put all those words together, it gives you something called mental health. When you put all those words together, it gives you something called mental health. Sometimes people think mental health is when you are crazy, or you have it's a mental disorder, but not like you're crazy, like you lose control. Because when you suffer in mental health, it's stopping you from seeing things in a positive way because of fear, shyness, self-doubt, and low self-confidence. But how do you overcome fear, shyness, self-doubt? To be more confident, to start taking actions. How do you overcome that? And this is the problem. A lot of people talking about mental health issues, but they are not telling you, helping you how to overcome mental health issues. Most black people, it's not only Dancing Kompa, Maxime, it's not only Dancing Kompa that can overcome shyness. Dancing is dancing in general, yes. But most black people are suffering of mental health without realizing they are fighting mental health. Especially when someone is shy, when someone is fearful, when someone has self-doubt, it builds low self-esteem and low self-confidence. It's very dangerous because that can build something called frustration in that person, and also jealousy, because when that person seeing someone else living a different lifestyle, they're not aware of their issues now that create jealousy and frustration. And frustration is mental health, because frustration will create anxiety, depression, stress. But there's one solution for all of that. There's one solution. The solution to overcome shyness, fear, first change your mind. When I say change your mind, because you're not going to change your mind right away, start thinking differently. But one of the most important things to do to overcome fear and shyness is to learn. I give you the secret. Learn. Knowledge is power. Education is key. Fear, lack of self-confidence, shyness is because of ignorance. I'm not calling people ignorant because we are all ignorant in life. The moment you don't have knowledge about something, you are ignorant about it. I'm ignorant about so many things. Now, in order for you to overcome ignorance, to build self-confidence, to stop being shy and stop being fearful, to become fearless, it's all about knowledge. It's all about the willingness to learn. Yes, was change perspective. It's the willingness to learn. The key to overcome shyness, fear, low self-esteem, low self-confidence is by learning. Learning knowledge is the solution of your problem. Now, I know not everybody have the knowledge that I'm sharing with you right now to tell you how to overcome those issues. Knowledge can be self-taught. It also can be going to someone physically in person or invest in a career. Example, I can be self-taught learning something online or watching someone else doing it and I choose to do it. But I can choose to go for a career, like example, becoming a nurse or engineer or a doctor. I choose to go to school. Or I can master my talent. There are a lot of people, especially my students I've met. One of the biggest issues that I've encountered about them was low self-confidence. When they came to me, they were shy, they were fearful. I observed that and I saw it. But as a life coach and also a mentor and also an instructor, because I'm aware of their issues and I know the trigger and I know the problems, because I already spot, the moment they came to me, I saw the problems. So my job was to help them overcome the feelings or that part of that things that become part of the characteristic, which is not normal, but it becomes part of them, being shy and being fearful. My job is to see how I can remove them, because I know they are not healthy, they are toxic. Because being shy and being fearful, self-doubt, they are toxic. Now my job is to see how I can help them overcome the feelings of being shy and also being fearful with self-doubt, with low self-confidence, that give them low self-confidence. That was my job, and this is my job. That's why when I say to people, when you take my class, you invest in your life for the rest of your life. It's an investment for the rest of your life, because no instructor is giving you what I'm giving you. None. I've been to their classes, and I've been to what they do in workshop. They're not talking to you the way I talk to you. They're not telling you what you have to do to change your life, to improve your lifestyle. They're not. Yes, I studied psychology, and I believe this is the best way to get to know people, to study the human mindset, to learn how human mind works, to learn how human behaviors work. I personally feel like the Black community needs help. And I'm doing my best trying to help my community, not just only the Haitian community, the Black community all around the world. But unfortunately, you guys see me as a threat. And I don't care if anyone sees me as a threat, because what I have here belongs to me for the rest of my life. And that builds my self-confidence. This is the reason why I can be live with you right now, talking to you. You can watch me. And it doesn't matter my English is not that great. It doesn't matter my English can be left and right. But the point is, I wasn't born in the US, but I try my best because I'm confident enough to put my words together to share with y'all. Because I know some people might say, oh, this guy, he has accent. Yes, I do have accent because I'm not American, I'm Haitian. And also in my head, I have 4 to 5 languages that I'm still processing every single day. I'm processing French, I'm processing Spanish, English, Creole, Portuguese sometimes, and sometimes I'm trying to understand Italiano. A lot of things happen. Earlier someone asked me, how the heck you can do everything? Someone was like, asking a question like, how the heck you can do all of that? Well, I said, I don't know. We can choose to become superpower because we all have the same brain. But my brain has a lot. But at the same time, I'm trying to help and save people, but people see me as a threat when I love them so much. If you're proud to be shy and you're proud to be fearful, you're proud to have low self-esteem, like self-doubt, and you are proud to be negative all the time, everything you do is negativity, I'm telling you this, you are toxic. And also, if you are fighting the feeling of being shy and the fear, you're fighting mental health. Because now you're not growing. You're not going anywhere. You're not. Because fear will stop you, will prevent you from taking the best decision for yourself, and that will prevent you to take risk that can help you in the future. You understand what I'm saying? Fear will stop you from taking risk and make the decisions that will save your life or maybe help you grow. That's the result of fear and also shyness. But again, the solution to stop being shy and to overcome fear is to learn. But some of you refuse to learn. Some of you refuse to learn. Some of you refuse to study. You guys are afraid to study. You guys are afraid to invest in yourself. You guys are getting frustrated because things are not working fine for y'all, but you guys don't realize it's because you are not patient to learn. You are not patient to study, to try to figure things out with knowledge instead of getting frustrated with ignorance. You choose ignorance over knowledge. You choose frustration over knowledge, but you expect your life to be better. Because when you get frustrated, you have a negative mindset. You can't think right. You can't think with the right decision because you are frustrated. Not only you are shy, you are fearful, you don't have enough confidence, you don't believe in yourself, you can do it. And now you expect life to be better for you. I don't get it. How do you expect life to be better for you when you're not doing the right things? When you are being in the wrong circle, and when you are hanging out with the wrong people that can even help you, elevate you, evolve, boost you intellectually, mentally, spiritually, socially, financially, business-wise. You're in the wrong circle, but you expect to grow. Doesn't make no sense to me. And as a human, if you're not thinking about growth, I mean, you're a dead body. Exactly. Project the negativity on other people to try to stop them from growing. Exactly. Because when you get frustrated, that's what I'm saying earlier, that's what I said earlier, it builds jealousy. Because you are not growing, when you see other people growing now, you become jealous because you are not investing in yourself. You are not doing anything about self-development, to help you grow, because you are using your time, your money, your energy towards other things, nonsense, but you expect to have a better lifestyle. You expect to be financially stable. You expect to have the car that you dream about. You expect to live in the house you dream about, but you are not investing in yourself. That doesn't make no sense to me. I'm giving you knowledge for free, but I'm not getting the support. And I'm not getting any share from this live, because this live, I have over 120 something thousand people. I only have 10 people watching right now. Why? Why out of 121,000 people, I don't even have 100 people watching this live right now? The reason why is because the black community don't care about knowledge. We care about fast money. We care about being jealous. We care about hating on each other. We don't care about supporting each other. We don't. This is the reason why I said Black Lives Matter doesn't make no sense. Why would I think about Black Lives Matter, sorry to say that, when we don't believe in ourselves, we don't believe in potential, we don't believe in value, we don't believe in nothing. Of course, fear of failing is a big one. Yes, definitely. Because you have to fail to learn. Because if you don't fail, you don't learn. And my point is to help my community. Either you are Jamaican, Haitian, African, Caribbean, South American. It doesn't matter wherever you from, to help you grow as a black man. Because my circle, I have students come from all those countries. Somebody sent a request. Let me see. Who's this? Who's this? Consoli Plumber wants to be in this live. People want to see. Let me see if I can take this person. Hopefully that talking right now. So yeah, because I have students from different countries, I interact with Jamaican, I interact with hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
I know for some reason I cannot see you. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Your camera is on? No?
My camera is on, yeah.
Yes. You requested in the live, you have something to share with us?
Yeah, I was looking and I just find you and what are you talking? It's yeah, it touched my heart. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you, but it's a message that we are sending to everybody. Usually we have those motivational live to inspire our community, to empower our people, to let them know that they can do better. And we believe we all can do better if we set our mind to do the right things. And the key of doing better is to learn.
Yes.
And there's no other secret. There's no other secret for self-development than learning.
Yeah.
The secret of self-development, empowerment is to learn. Because when
Yes.
you learn, you become a masterpiece, a superpower person.
That's
So,
empowering us. Yes. That's all we need. We need.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's all we need. That's all we need to overcome shyness, to overcome fear,
Yeah.
self-doubt, um, negativity. Because when you learn, it opens your mind at a different level. You have different perspective in life. You have different mindset because you learn how things work. But if we keep thinking about our feelings, thoughts, and we don't learn, it's like when we're not learning, we're not growing. Because the more we learn, we grow. Because we
Yeah.
cannot live based on our own perspective all the time. We have to read different books. And another thing people refuse to read. Like example, I will design a flyer for an event. People will call me to ask me where's the address when the address is on the flyer. People will ask me how much it is when the price is on the flyer. So especially in our community, people don't really take time to read because
Yeah.
when you read, it gives you the sense of becoming someone, not the same person you used to be before, but you become someone else because reading is power. And it's very sad in our community, we are not doing the right things for ourselves. And that's what I'm advocating for. Helping people understand the values, what the right step to take, what the right action to take for them to become that powerful person they think they can be. Because we all have the potential to become superpower.
Yes.
But the only way to do so is to learn.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Because now it's power.
It's hard. As you said, we don't read, we don't put effort in learning. Even myself, every day I'm struggling because I don't know how to use this. I can't find information on a website on this and that. I don't know how, and I need to learn. There's no excuses.
There's no excuse because at the end of the day, right now we have technology, we have a smartphone in our hand. We can even press a button and then use voice ask question in Google. Google gonna give us the answer.
Yeah.
So I think it's because we want everything to be fast, and then we don't have patience to invest in ourselves. We don't have enough patience to do the right thing for us.
Yes.
So that's what creates frustrations. That's what creates anger, and that's what makes us feel less than we think we are because we don't
Yeah.
have the patience
Mm-hmm.
to do the right thing for us, for
Mm-hmm.
ourselves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I hope after this live today, you learn something different and you start taking actions to do the right thing for yourself, sorry. And I hope that you're gonna do the right thing that will help you grow as well. But remember, the key of growing is all about knowledge and education.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I was journaling and I said, whoa, this is scaring me, because we don't learn enough and then we feel like we are not
Yes.
enough. We feel like we are less. We don't have
Exactly.
that self-esteem. But we are not stupid, we are smart. It's just because we don't do the right things to educate ourselves.
Yes. To
And we
evolve,
feel like we
evolve.
cannot do it, but we can do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
To evolve, to elevate ourselves without doing the right thing. And that's what I'm advocating for right now on the black community to do the right thing for themselves. Even though it's one person at a time or two people at a time, it doesn't matter how many people. All I'm doing right now is to advocate for the black community to do better because we cannot be jealous all the time. It's not even about the black community only. Anyone that's following me on my page, my job is to empower them, is to elevate them. Because the moment, the life that I'm living, I want everybody to taste the beauty of happiness, the beauty of living comfortable. That's what I want for everybody that follow me to be inspired, to be empowered by what I'm doing, by my vision, my mission, and my movement.
Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for empowering us. That's what we need in our community. We need people
Yes.
like Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the fact that you are part of the live, and thank you for being honest. Because being honest, it means that you are aware of yourself. That's also part of self-awareness. So the fact that you are aware of your issue, that will motivate you to take actions and do the right things for growth. Okay.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day. I will talk to you
Yeah.
soon.
Bye.
Thank you. Wow, that was beautiful, guys. I really appreciate the fact that to join the live. Let me see. I don't know. You can leave. Let me see. I don't have her. Let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. That was so beautiful to have someone that joined the live and she was aware of her issues and she was aware of what she was doing wrong. And I hope some of you learned from her experience. Again, what we are not doing, we are not taking care of ourselves. Before I leave, I want to share this with you before I leave. And if you're watching this live, don't leave. What I'm about to share right now is powerful. If you're watching right now, you're not leaving, show me some love. Show me some love. Say hi. Tap hi. If you're on the live right now, you're not leaving, say hi. I want to see everybody say hi before I say what I have to say. I want everybody to say hi to see if you're engaged with me, if you're present. Say hi. Everybody type hi to see if you're here with me for what I'm about to say before I leave. Just type hi. If you are with me right now, before I leave, I'm about to say something. Say hi. So only 3 people is here with me. I have about 9 people. Okay, that's 4 people. Hi. Okay. Now listen to what I'm about to say right now. And most people, you're not gonna share this with you. As a human being a human in life, we build everything around us. The cars, the buildings, the roads, the infrastructures, everything we use, we build them as a human, or as humans in general. That means we have the power to build anything, to destroy anything. That means we have the power to build anything, to destroy anything in life as humans. The key message before I leave for you is there are 3 things about your life as a human you're going to have to start thinking about. After this message, I want you to start thinking about them differently. 3 major things for self-care and self-development. I'm not going to share about the growth because I already post about the growth in my story, but I'm talking about for self-care. Self-care as a human. And I shared them with you before, but the fact that every time I go live, it's different people, but I'm sure that you guys probably never heard them before. Probably if you heard them before, I'm going to repeat it again. For self-care as human. The first word you have to pay attention, you're going to start thinking about starting today is time. Time. Time is priceless. I was younger. I'm getting older. Everything that happened to me in the past, I cannot go back and undo them or repeat them again. I can repeat them, but I cannot remove them in my life. They already happened. It doesn't matter I made mistakes. It doesn't matter I did good things. Whatever happened in the past, I can't catch them back because they already passed. Time is very important in human life. You can't catch time. The clock doesn't stop. The clock keep on moving. What about you? Are you moving? You cannot catch time, but you can make the best version of yourself every second. Don't waste your time with people. Don't waste your time with nonsense. Don't waste your time with people that cannot add value into your life. Time is very important because the time I'm giving you right now, the time you are taking to listen to me right now, you will never get it back in your life. When the time passes, it passes forever. If you didn't take advantage of it, you wasted or you did something great about it. That means your time means a lot to you. Time is very important. Value your time, appreciate your time. Don't give your time to any type of person. You can't get back your time for real. Anyhow, we can't get it back. That's why when you are using your time, you are giving your time to anyone, make sure that person deserves your time. Don't waste your time. Don't be too patient babysitting people that wasting your time. Because some people, they are time wasters. You can use your time to build yourself up. You can use your time to work on yourself. You can use your time to study. You can use your time to rest. You can use your time to do so many things. Instead of using your time, giving it to someone ungrateful, that taking you for granted, that disrespecting you, that don't appreciate you, that don't see value in you, you are wasting your time. And that time, you will never get it back. That was the first word. 3, I said. Number 2, energy. Your energy is very powerful because you need energy to live. You need energy to act. You need energy to do everything. If you don't have energy, you cannot do anything. You cannot go to work. You're going to feel sick. You're going to feel down. Because without energy, we are nothing. Meaning, even being intimate with someone is energy. Lifting things is energy. Walking is energy. Everything we are doing in life is all about energy. Protect your energy. Don't give your energy to ungrateful people. Don't waste your energy with people who don't appreciate you. Don't share your energy with people that are taking you for granted. Because your energy, you can use it for yourself. You can conserve your energy. You can protect your energy for your own good. That means if someone can get your energy, that person should be special to you. You understand what I'm saying? If you're here, say hi. Raise your hands up. Put your hands up. If you're here with me, say hi. Because I'm about to leave. If you're with me, you're listening to me, say hi. If you're with me, say hi. Thank you so much, Loretta. If you're with me, say hi. Because I'm telling you things people are not telling you. If you're with me, say hi. Because I have about 9 people watching me right now. Maybe more. Your energy, if you don't see in someone good intention of growth, good intention of respect, value, don't waste your time giving energy to someone who don't see value in you and someone that wasting your energy. Because there's energy wasters, there's also time wasters. Keyword number 3 has to be as a human. This is powerful. Money. Don't give your money to random people that don't care about you. Because to make money, you need those two words I mentioned earlier. You need time and energy. Don't waste your money buying things that are not necessary, but use your money to invest in yourself, to build yourself up. Because you need money to live. But in order for you to make money, you need something called time and energy. Without time and energy, you can't make money. Because without time and energy is health. Energy is health. Because without energy, you are sick. And you need time and energy to make money. So that means if someone can take your energy from you, time from you, money from you, that person should mean a lot to you. So if you are pouring to someone money, energy, time, and that person is not giving anything back, it's time to remove yourself right now. You're wasting your time, you're wasting your life. I don't care if you're married, I don't care if you're in a relationship, I don't care wherever you are in your life. The only two people right now you can probably babysit right now is one of your kids. Not your husband, not your wife, not your family members. I don't care whoever in your life right now. If you are pouring money, energy, time on them, and then I give you nothing back, it's time for you to remove yourself. And I'm tired seeing people coming to me. They are settling themselves for less. Last Friday, I had a class in Kompa, and after my class, I don't know, for some reason, I was talking to two young ladies. I was giving them a free life coach session and also a free counseling session. I was surprised how that lady, she was in my class, having fun, laughing, smiling, and she told me, I haven't danced since before COVID. And I said, what this? She said, yes, I love to dance, but it's been years since I've danced like this. Do you understand what I'm saying? How you guys are destroying your life just because you settle for less? Just because you don't love yourself? That's not even the life talking about self-love. But again, those three things are very important. If you see yourself giving someone your time, your energy, your money, whoever that person is, that person has to be meaningful in your life. And that person should contribute in your growth. If that person you are giving your time, your money, your energy is not being contributed in your growth, it's time to let that person go. I don't care if it's your wife, if it's your husband, I don't care whoever that person is, except your kids, your young kids, you're innocent. But anyone else should go right now. Don't let your feeling, don't let your emotion, don't let great sex keep you in a relationship and there's no growth. Of course, you're pleasing your body, but anyone can please you. Anyone can please your body. But at the end of the day, what about growth? What about spiritual growth? What about mental growth, emotional growth, social growth, financial growth, intellectual growth? I have to go back. I've been here for a while now. I said what I had to say. But at the end of the day, I'm the black sheep. People hate me left and right when I'm fighting for the community. People can even share my comments for me when I post, but I'm trying to help. People can even give me a share, people can even give me a good comment when I post something. But I'm fighting, I'm advocating for mental health in this community. But I'm the bad guy. I'm the guy people talk about, bad about, crap about, that I'm using music events to sleep with females, that I am a player. I am all that to those people because I'm famous, I'm popular. Popularity makes you a bad guy. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? The message that I just shared with you, so many people are not sharing them with you because they don't know better. And they're not telling you how to overcome your fear. They're not telling you how to overcome your shyness. They're not telling you how to build yourself up. They're not giving you a secret that I'm giving you right now. Those are like videos that I should sell. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not going to keep this live because I share so many good information that I can make tutorials with and I can sell those videos. I'm not selfish, but guess what? I'm being taken for granted in this community when I'm trying to help a community that fights mental health. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Counselor. But anyway, I love who I am. I know my confidence is bothering some people out there. Thank you so much for joining our life. I'm being cautious. I'm being aware of myself. I love who I am. I love my life. I'm being respectful, being cautious. Whisper is welcome. And I want to thank you for listening to me and for being part of this life. I really appreciate you. We love you too. I love you too. And don't forget, if you don't take your online classes, please, we're going to have this video somewhere for you where you can watch again. I'm going to put it, by the way, this live, I'm going to put it for you in the app so you can watch it again over and over. This video is going to be in our app. So if you don't have the app yet, I'm going to put the video, I'm going to put the message on my story how to get the app. This live, I'm going to download it and I'm going to put it only for people who have the app. So you can watch that video again. Just like I'm going to download it and I'm going to put it in the app. So you can, whenever you shut down, you can watch this live again to remind yourself about your growth, to remind yourself about your well-being, to remind yourself about your mental health. I'm going to download it live, I'm going to put it in our app so you guys can watch it for free, but I'm not going to put it to the public. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much for love. Thank you for respect. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for words of wisdom. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I will see you another day. Thank you so much. Don't forget about peace and love and respect. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Be joyful. Smile often. Because smiling is the definition of happiness. Smiling is the definition of happiness. So ladies, guys, respect. See you next time.